Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer. Go to your contacts by tapping on the three bars icon and tap on contacts. Find the contact that you'd like to block and tap on it. And now scroll down to find the option block numbers and simply tap. Your device is informing you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block and your device will show you this characteristic icon, thanks to which you know that it is blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist, we need to go to this home section, tap on the three bars icon and go to the settings. Now let's go to blocked numbers, and here we've got our number that we've blocked from our contacts, which is great. And here we can also tap on add a number and enter the number manually. Tap on block and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.